A clear view through your windshield is not just about the aesthetics of your car, it's a vital aspect of driving safety. But when that view is compromised by damage, it's crucial to understand the culprits behind those frustrating cracks and chips. Let's start with road debris. It's the villain behind many a damaged windshield. Picture this. You're cruising down the highway and suddenly, a rogue rock, flung by the tires of the truck ahead, smashes against your glass. To dodge this danger, keep your distance from large vehicles and be extra cautious on gravel roads. And next up, extreme temperatures. They're not just uncomfortable for you, but also for your windshield. The bitter cold can turn a tiny chip into a sprawling crack, while the blazing sun can weaken the glass over time. The solution? Shield your car from the elements with a windshield protector and seek shade whenever possible. Accidents, whether a tap on the bumper or a full-on collision, often leave windshields in shambles. The impact can cause immediate and severe damage, making it essential to prioritize repairs. Remember, some auto companies offer mobile services to get you back on the road swiftly and safely. But what if the damage comes from within? Poor installation can be a silent saboteur. A windshield that's not aligned with your car's frame can't handle wind pressure evenly, making it prone to shatter. Always opt for professional installation to ensure your windshield can withstand the journey ahead. Lastly, vandalism. A deliberate act that can leave your windshield scarred with scratches or cracks. It's not just an eyesore, it's a hazard. If you fall victim to such malice, report it immediately and consult your insurance for repair options. Remember, a swift response can preserve both your safety and your car's value.